If we start with the whole number black and subtract 400 years of oppression, minus America's race obsession, minus chattel slavery, minus miles of middle passage, are we then left with African, or perhaps Yoruba, or Watusi, or Igbo, or some other derivative? If you are black and poor, and I'm black and rich, but he's black and middle class, but the least common denominator still being blackness, does that make us brothers? If we agree that black culture is an infinite number, why do some of us take more than others, making us blacker than others, when we can all share? And why do some of us take only a little just to have room to add assimilation? Now, the circumference of my humanity is Christianity, yet why is the volume of a black sphere filled with so much sin? Are African Americans multiples of our ancestors, or are they the square root of us? If Martin is the inverse of Malcolm and Booker T is the converse of W.E.B., then is Aunt Jemima the reciprocal of Angela Davis? And how many Condoleezza Rices does it take to make one Assata Shakur? Are the Black Panthers less than or greater than the NAACP? Statistics say blacks keep killing blacks, so does one black who kills another equals 0? Or maybe the sum is negative black after we subtract both families' pain and suffering. Me plus money plus fame plus jewelry plus cars plus name brand clothes still equals me, doesn't it? Yet my woman quotient quadruples. So what was our word before I factored in materialism? Jay-Z times Nelly times Missy times 50 Cent to the third degree equals platinum MC. But does it equal revolutionary? On the other hand, KRS-One times Talib Kweli times Common plus Lauren and Mos Def equals black consciousness squared, I think. The total number of blacks in the U.S. divided by skin color, divided by religion, divided by class is the formula for lack of black unity. Although we account for million man and million woman marches, we decrease lack of black unity by approximately 15%. I could be wrong, but it seems like Clarence Thomas sits at a 90-degree angle to Thurgood Marshall, who was parallel to the Civil Rights Movement, which some say was perpendicular to the Black Power movement. Yet I would argue that civil rights can be divided by black power several times with the remainder of black liberation. Black man plus black woman equals player plus hurt feelings plus drama. But, and don't quote me on this, black man plus black woman plus married with children plus commitment equals black family, which is a fraction of black nation. Never have been that good at math. But this one theorem I always remember. Me plus Satan equals damnation, but me plus Jesus equals salvation.